What to do if you break down or have an incident in a tunnel. Turn on your hazard lights. Stop your vehicle on the left side and turn off the engine. Keep the key in the ignition or the fob in the car so that recovery agents can move your vehicle. Everyone should leave the vehicle from the door that's the opposite side to moving traffic. Stand on the footpath some distance in front of your vehicle. This is the safest place. If you can't leave your vehicle, call 999 for help. Use the SOS phones which are situated every 100 metres inside the tunnel to ask for help. Stay cautious of traffic and never cross the road. Pay attention to announcements and instructions broadcasted. Follow the instructions provided by the tunnel operator. Traffic Wales, helping make journeys safer.